Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Jessica. Today I'm going to share my #1 purple shampoo tip to get the absolute best results. So purple shampoo was designed to neutralize brassy and yellow tones. It was not designed to clean your hair. So here's my tip. If you use a purple shampoo once a week or less often than that, right before you use your purple shampoo, apply a clarifying shampoo or an apple cider vinegar rinse to your hair to remove buildup from your hair. When you have buildup on your hair, this prevents your purple shampoo from doing its job properly, and so you don't get the full effect of the purple shampoo. So your hair may end up blotchy, there may be some brassy tones left behind, and your hair won't be as bright. If you use a purple shampoo more than once a week, you should use a clarifying shampoo or the apple cider vinegar rinse one time that week, and then the other times when you're using the purple shampoo, use your regular shampoo to remove any hair products from your hair and to clean your hair. Clarifying shampoo and an apple cider vinegar rinse can be very drying, so you don't want to use it more than once a week. So here's a little rule of thumb that I follow. So most people only need to clarify their hair or use the rinse 1 to 2 times a month. If you have hard water or you use a ton of hair products, which is causing a lot of buildup, then you're going to want to clarify or use the apple cider vinegar rinse once a week. But don't use it any more than that. So once you have used your clarifying shampoo to remove the buildup, and you've used the purple shampoo and you've washed it out thoroughly, then finish off with a deep conditioner. So I use the Mael deep conditioner. I'm going to post the link to the clarifying shampoo that I've been using and a link to the deep conditioner that I've been using, so that way you can check that out. So that is it. That is my tip. Give it a try and then come back and let us know what you thought about it. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for joining me, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!